Okay, so I've just had my first delivery of the Mounjaro weight loss pen. So I'm going to unbox it. Okay. So we've got our sharps bin, some medical information, vitamin D3, and some pre-injection swabs, and some needles. So there's 4 needles in there and 4 injection swabs as well, because we're going to inject once a week for 4 weeks. So I actually had this injection pen from Med Express. So I signed up and did the consultation with them on Monday evening. It was actually approved on Tuesday and been delivered express delivery by Royal Mail tracked. Received it this afternoon. So it comes in ice pack with ice packs as well, as it's got to be stored in the fridge. And that is the Mounjaro. The starting dose is 2.5 milligrams, which you need to start on for once a week for 4 weeks, and then review and possibly go up to the next milligram, which is 5. So I'm going to start this evening, and I'll probably do another video of me actually doing the injection. So follow me, and my account is going to be full of honest reviews, tips, any struggles, and some weight loss updates as well. So I've weighed this morning, and I'll be weighing every Thursday and updating you guys as well. See you later.